It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on our 22-foot Open 7 model Zodiac. It is a 2019 model. It is in beautiful condition. It comes with a 250 horsepower Yamaha outboard with 220 guaranteed verified hours. It's got a Simrad chart plotter on it, which I've turned on. We have run our diagnostic tool through the engine. It's got low usage on it, 220 hours, and a full run history for you too. What a great looking boat. It has the optional T-tower. Center console on this T-tower up here was an option on this boat. This boat has it. It has a winter cover with it too. It has a big storage locker in the front of it, big enough if you want to put a porta potty there. Lots of seating around the back. This thing will get up and go and take you anywhere on the coast that you want to do it. If you want it, if you're into adventure, if you're into fishing, if you're into diving, going to your summer places, or if you want a decent sized tender for your larger boat, this would cut the bill perfectly. It is 22 feet long. It is an Open 7 model, and it's 2019. It's the only one in the Pacific Northwest for sale currently, and it's realistically priced with optional big engine, optional T-top, hard top, or T-top, soft top that is included with the boat. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're bonded and licensed in Washington State. We're certified brokers in British Columbia. We can make arrangements to get this boat down to you in Seattle or south if you so choose. We'd love to hear from you. PacificCoastYachtSales.com. Phone Christy 604-317-3847 for further information and making viewing arrangements. Thanks again for watching.